unnatural and immoral to try to teach science to children in a foreign language. They will know facts, but they will miss the spirit by C.V. Raman. So, in this auspicious occasion, a very good morning to everyone. I am Jeena Jublikar Patnaik, class 8, going to tell a few words about the National Science Day. India has a great heritage of science and technology. Indian Vedas and scripts have become the foundation of modern science and technology. Many scientists, mathematicians, astronomers, astrologers, engineers have made contribution to advance the science and technology sector in India. National Science Day 2021 is celebrated to honor their contribution to the world and field of science. Many Indian scientists have succeeded in making India proud globally, and Indian physics sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman means C.V. Raman is one of them. National Science Day of India is celebrated on 28th February every year to mark the discovery of Raman effect by Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman, for which he was awarded prestigious Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. He was also awarded Bharat Ratna in 1954. National Science Day is celebrated with great excitement across India. Schools and colleges demonstrate their science projects at many science fairs or exhibitions. National and state science institutes exhibit their latest resources. This year, the theme of National Science Day 2021 is Future of STI, Impact on Education, Skills and Work. Every year, National Science Day is celebrated with a theme that spreads the message about the importance of science. The theme is decided by the Department of Science and Technology. This year's theme is highlights the future impact of science, technology and innovation in the field of education and work. Using new technologies, different innovations can be carried out. Science, technology and innovation are an essential part for the development, the economy and social development of our country. The National Science Day of India is celebrated across India to commemorate the great contribution of scientists like Sir C.V. Raman and many others to make our daily lives better. On this day, school and college organize science fairs and exhibitions which give a platform to the students who want to showcase their inventions in front of the world and give more opportunities. Celebrating the National Science Day encourages students to learn more about the importance of science and technology. So, conclusion of my speech is that National Science Day is celebrated across India to appreciate the efforts of individuals and organizations that work in favor of the advancement of technology in India. We should contribute to the betterment of our society by doing our bit. So, at last, I want to conclude my speech by saying that I am the master of my failure. If I never fail, how will I ever learn? By C.V. Raman. So thank you and have a nice day.